In today's video, I will be giving the review on Monty eSIM. I will also going to include all the pros and cons. So let's get started. The first pro that I will include is its wide coverage. Now Monty eSIM offers coverage in over 190 countries, making it a strong contender among eSIM providers. Next up will going to be flexible data plans. Now they provide data plans ranging from 500 MBs to 20 GBs, catering to various needs. Next thing will going to be competitive pricing, especially within the Europe. You can get affordable rates such as 1 GB for only 199. Another thing that I will include is its user interface. The Monty eSIM platform is very user friendly with an intuitive interface that simplifies the activation and management of your eSIMs as well. At the end, I will include the customer support. Now, many users have praised Monty eSIM's customer service for being responsive and helpful. You can use their customer support with WhatsApp, which is also very convenient. Now, let's move on to the cons. The first con that I will include is its data consumption. Now, there have been many complaints about data being consumed quickly, especially when using apps like Google Maps. Next thing will going to be no unlimited data. Unlike some competitors, Monty eSIM does not offer unlimited plan, so you need to also make sure to keep this point in mind. If you are looking for an ultimate plan, you cannot get this on Monty eSIM. Next thing will going to be hotspot functionality. Now some users have experienced issues with using their eSIM as a hotspot. Overall, Monty eSIM is a solid choice for travelers looking for an affordable and flexible data plan despite a few minor drawbacks.